Martin Raymond Reyes Nievera, born February 5, 1962, is a Filipino singer and songwriter. Known for his contemporary love ballads and on-stage personality, he is celebrated as one of the most important figures in local Filipino music. With a career spanning for decades, he has garnered 18 platinum, 5 double platinum, 3 triple platinum, and 1 quadruple platinum albums, listing him among the highest-selling Filipino recording artists of all time. Nievera began his career in 1982 with the release of his debut album, Martin. Take One, achieving platinum status in 5 months. In the succeeding years, Nievera also ventured into hosting and acting. He has appeared in 11 movies and 7 television series and specials, most notable being Penthouse Live, with Pops Fernandez, Martin After Dark, and ASAP. His music covers a variety of genres ranging from pop, soft rock, adult contemporary to gospel and dance music. Among his most successful releases includes the multi-platinum sellers Forever, 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 and My Souvenirs. In 2002, Nievera was named Entertainer of the Year at the 25th Awit Awards for the 3rd time. He became the first artist to win the award for 3 consecutive years, elevating him to the Hall of Fame alongside the likes of Polita Corrales and Celeste Legaspi. Dubbed as the Philippines' Concert King by the media, he was the first Filipino solo male artist and 2nd overall after Lee Salonga to stage a full-length concert at the Music Center's Walt Disney Concert Hall. He was also the first Filipino solo male artist to headline a concert at the John Anson Ford Amphitheater and the Hollywood Bowl. In 1984, he headlined a concert in front of 45,000 crowd at the Philsports Football and Athletics Stadium. In 1988, he was named Best Male Singer and Star of the Year by the Honolulu Star Advertiser in Hawaii. He also won as Best Interpreter at the 1990 Abu Golden Kite Awards in Malaysia. Nievera has already performed alongside renowned artists such as David Foster, David Pomerantz, and Michael Bublé. Martin Raymond Reyes Nievera was born on February 5, 1962 in Manila to Singer Bert Nievera and Conchita Reyes. He has a twin sister, Victoria, a younger sister, Rachel, and many siblings from his parents' other unions. His father was a member of the Hawaii-based singing troupe Society of 7. His mother separated from her first husband and fled with the twins to Hawaii when they were 3 years old to live there with Bert, attending elementary and high school in Hawaii. He said that he was regularly bullied by his classmates because of his appearance, and I wore a belt and shoes, so they thought belt and shoes meant you're rich. would get beaten up for my lunch money, so my twin sister Vicky would defend me in school. The following day, I was beaten more because I was defended by a girl. Nievera developed an interest in music, particularly in singing, at an early age. In their first year in Hawaii, the family resided on the 15th floor of the Outrigger Hotel, and the young Nievera would watch his father perform downstairs with the Society of Seven. And every night, I would dream and imagine myself as one of the members of that group, singing for audiences both big and small. While working as a burger flipper at a restaurant that his family owned in Hawaii or at another family-owned restaurant called Roadrunner Burgers in Concord, California, where they would eventually move to, Nievera received singing lessons from his father, learning how and when to belt and how to end the song in a big way. By the age of 14, he was performing with him in Society of Seven shows. Nievera said in 2018, "It all happened in the main showroom in that Outrigger Hotel. That room is now known as the Blue Note Hawaii, and I still perform there to this day. It has become a very sacred room for me, probably because that's where Dad gave me my first set of wings." In the 1970s, the family relocated to the San Francisco Bay Area in California. Nievera enrolled at Clayton Valley High School in Concord, where he was a member of the basketball team. He was encouraged by the school's wrestling coach to enter the choir, impressed by a rendition of Morris Albert's Feelings that Nievera sang while showering in the locker room. Bert posited that his son began to realize he could sing professionally when he was 16, the same age when he did. Aside from his father, who always supported his singing, Nievera also credits for his talent his Cebuana maternal grandmother, Lourdes Corrales, a famous mezzo-soprano opera singer and radio personality in 1940s Philippines. Unlike his father, Bert, his mother, Conchita, was against his dream, instead wanting him to become a doctor or a lawyer. She knew what she and my father went through. The show business takes a lot out of you, Nievera related, and said his mother told him. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.